Hey everyone, welcome back to American English Podcasts. I'm Lucas.
And I'm Sophia. New listeners, hit subscribe and drop a like. Today, we are eliminating grammar overthinking forever.
Sophia, I need to confess my biggest speaking nightmare.
Tell me everything.
When I speak English, my brain runs a constant grammar checklist.
Is this the right tense? Is this the right preposition?
Exactly. Should I say I go, or I went, or I have gone?
And while you're thinking,
The conversation has moved on 3 topics.
you're stuck in analysis paralysis.
My mouth can't keep up with my brain's grammar checking.
This is the grammar trap.
It creates stuttering, hesitation, unnatural pauses.
So today, we're teaching the chunking technique.
Pre-packaged lexical chunks instead of word-by-word construction.
I was wondering if becomes one single rhythmic unit.
No grammar thinking required.
Let's prioritize natural cadence over rigid rules.
For immediate, effortless conversational flow.
Let's highlight how the mental grammar checklist kills conversation.
You want to say, I was wondering if you could help me.
But your brain thinks,
Wait, past continuous, was plus verb ing, wondering is correct, could is conditional, help is base form.
by the time you finish checking,
5 seconds have passed.
the other person is confused why you're silent.
This is the stuttering effect.
I was wondering if you could.
Sounds robotic and unnatural.
Now, the neurological limit.
Your brain can process about 2 to 3 grammar rules per second.
But native speakers produce 150 to 200 words per minute.
That's 2.5 to 3.3 words per second.
Impossible to check grammar for each word.
So how do natives speak so fast?
They don't use grammar rules in real time.
They use lexical chunks.
Pre-memorized, pre-packaged language units.
I was wondering if natives never think about the grammar.
It's stored as one complete unit.
This bypasses conscious thought entirely.
Let's define precisely what a lexical chunk actually is.
A chunk is a pre-packaged functional unit of language.
Multi-word sequences that natives use as single pieces.
Like, I was wondering if, or to be honest with you,
Or what I mean is, the thing is, as far as I know.
would you mind if, I'd appreciate it if, it doesn't matter.
These are typically 3 to 5 word sequences that always appear together.
Natives absolutely never say these words individually.
They never construct I was wondering if word by word.
They deploy the entire phrase as one complete pre-memorized unit. Now let me give you the powerful construction metaphor.
Building sentences word by word is exactly like building a house brick by brick.
You carefully place one brick, check if it's perfectly level, apply mortar, place another brick.
Incredibly slow, incredibly labor-intensive, requires constant quality checking.
Versus using modern prefabricated walls.
You just lift the entire wall section into place in one movement.
Much faster, much more efficient, much more reliable.
Chunks are exactly like prefabricated walls of language.
And here's precisely why this prevents the overanalyzing of tenses.
When you use I was wondering if, you never stop to think,
Should it be am wondering, or was wondering, or have been wondering?
because you learned it as one indivisible unit.
The tense is already permanently built into the chunk.
Would you mind if already contains the conditional mood?
I'm about to already contains present continuous.
I should have already contains past modal.
No tense analysis, no mood checking, no aspect thinking required.
Your mouth just knows the complete pattern.
Let's demonstrate the physical mechanics of gluing words together.
We're practicing I was wondering if.
Let's say it super slowly, almost robotically.
I was wondering if.
4 separate words, 4 separate mouth positions.
Now start connecting them.
I was wondering if.
Feel your tongue staying mid-mouth the whole time.
It doesn't reset to neutral between words.
Now faster.
I was wondering if.
The I and was blend into I was.
Full native speed.
I was wondering if.
It sounds like 2 syllables, not 4 words.
Now the slow motion repetition exercise.
Choose 5 common chunks.
I was wondering if, what I mean is, the thing is, to be honest, I'd like to.
Practice each 20 times.
First 10 times, slow motion, exaggerate the connections.
Feel your mouth movements.
Last 10 times, natural speed, let it flow.
This builds muscle memory.
Your mouth learns the pattern.
Eventually, you say it without thinking.
Now, rhythmic integration for solo flow.
Let's use a metronome to sync chunks with natural cadence.
Set a metronome to 120 BPM. This matches conversational rhythm.
Say your chunk on each beat.
Beat 1, I was wondering if.
Beat 2, what I mean is,
These create rhythmic consistency.
your chunks start feeling musical.
Now, plug and play exercises.
Keep the core chunk stable, swap the ending.
I was wondering if you could help.
I was wondering if you have time.
I was wondering if that's possible.
The chunk stays the same, only the ending changes.
This is modular language.
Like Lego blocks, mix and match.
Now, develop a solo speaking routine.
Focus on musicality, not accuracy.
Speak for 2 minutes using only chunks.
I was wondering if you could help. To be honest, I'm not sure what to do. The thing is, I need some advice.
Notice zero grammar thinking.
Just deploying pre-packaged units.
Sounds completely natural.
Let's outline the comprehensive chunk of the day strategy.
Every single morning when you wake up, choose one new chunk to master.
Day 1, master I was wondering if.
Write it on a sticky note, put it on your mirror.
Use it exactly 5 times during the day in real situations.
In text messages, emails, face-to-face conversations.
Day 2, master to be honest.
Same drill, 50 repetitions.
Day 3, master the thing is.
Notice how your speaking feels smoother.
Day 4, combine all 3 chunks in one monologue.
To be honest, I was wondering if I could ask something. The thing is, I need your opinion.
Flowing naturally now.
Day 5, master what I mean is.
Day 6, I'd like to.
Day 7, free speaking for 5 minutes.
Use only chunks, no word-by-word construction.
Record yourself.
Compare to a recording before day 1.
The fluency difference will shock you.
Stop overthinking grammar with the chunking technique.
Mental grammar checklist creates stuttering and hesitation.
Brain processes 2 to 3 grammar rules per second. Native speaks 2.5 to 3.3 words per minute.
Lexical chunks bypass conscious thought.
Chunks are pre-packaged functional units, like I was wondering if.
Word by word is brick by brick. Chunks are prefabricated walls.
Learning chunks as units prevents tense over-analysis.
Slow motion tongue drill glues words together physically.
20 repetitions build muscle memory.
Use a metronome at 120 BPM for rhythmic consistency.
Plug and play, stable core, swappable endings.
Focus on musicality, not rule accuracy.
Chunk of the day strategy, 1 new chunk daily.
Identify chunks in podcasts and digital media.
Trust your mouth's training over your mind's hesitation.
7-day challenge. Master 5 chunks, combine them.
Record before and after for comparison.
Subscribe to American English Podcast for more effortless speaking techniques.
Stop thinking, start chunking.
See you next time.
Take care.